नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों से कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक के बारे में। और कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया कंपनी ने और प्रॉफिट रेज्ड 4% एट रेज 3,446 करोड़। टोटल इनकम रोज टू रेज 16,741 crore during the quarter under review from रेज 16,050 crore in the same period last year. Kotak Mahindra Bank said it is a regulatory filing. Private sector lender Kotak Mahindra Bank of Saturday reported a 4% increase in the standalone net profit at Rs 3,446 crore for the third quarter in the December 2025. The Mumbai-based bank had earned a net profit of Rs 3,305 crore in the year-ago period. The bank missed the analyst estimate as the analysts had expected a profit of 35.72 billion rupees according to data compiled by LSEG. Total income rose to Rs 16,741 crore during the quarter under review from Rs 16,050 crore in the same period last year. Kotak Mahindra Bank said in the exchange filing. The bank interest income also grew to the Rs 13,903 crore as against Rs 13,428 crore a year ago. Net interest income nil in Q3 financial year 2026 increased to Rs 7,565 crore from Rs 7,196 crore a year ago. However, net interest margin declined to Rs 4.54% from 4.93% in the third quarter of the previous financial year. As regarded assisted quality growth and non-performing assets and NEPA ratio moderate to 1 to 30% as the December 31, 2025 from 1.50% a year ago. Net NPA also is to 0.31% from 0.41% at the end of December 2024. However, previous rose to Rs 810 crore in the December quarter from Rs 794 crore in the same quarter of the last fiscal year. During the quarter, the bank capital adequacy ratio moderated a bit to 22.63% as compared to 22.79% at the end of December 2024.